Hi, we are group 21 and for our mobile computing project we have implemented intelligent personal assistant application. Some of the functionalities of this application include recording audio lectures, taking notes during the lecture or taking pictures of lecture slides, etc. Smart feature of this application is turning on and off silent mode based on surrounding noise level. So let's see the task breakdown. These are some of the tasks that we had planned to implement, and all the highlighted tasks have been completed so far. So let's go into the detail and see each and every functionality. So this is the basic login screen where a registered user can sign into the application. So let's see if the authentication part is working correctly. So first I will try some random wrong password and check if the application is denying the access. Okay, so it's saying password incorrect, which is the right action. So now let's try entering the correct password with which I registered to this application. Okay, so it has signed in, and as you can see, immediately after signing in, it starts sensing the surrounding noise level, which it does frequently. Like it senses the noise level every 5 seconds, and it compares the noise level with a threshold value, and it turns on and off the silent mode based on the threshold value that we have set. So now let's see if it turns on the silent mode if we have low noise level in the surrounding. So as you can see, it has turned on the silent mode, and if someone comes near the phone and talks, it automatically turns off the silent mode as well.
My name is Kavita. I will be explaining you about the recording feature. On home screen there are two buttons, record and dashboard. Record is used to create new recording and dashboard is used to view previously recorded files. Now I will create new recording. These are the three groups. All the files are getting organized as per the groups. Either you can save your new recording in these three existing groups or you can create your own new group. So I'm using this test recording. Inside this test recording folder, I'm creating new recording name as recording 3. So now I will record. Whatever I'm speaking, it is getting recorded, and these circles are representing the level of the amplitude of the surrounding noise. So I will stop this recording. Now I will play this recording, so you can see all the playback modes also. Now I will increase the volume and play. Whatever I'm speaking, it is getting recorded. So I have paused it. And these circles are representing. So I have stopped the video. And these are the three buttons, play, stop and download. Below this is a graph which is representing the values of the amplitude values of the surrounding noise. X-axis is representing the time and Y-axis is representing the amplitude value of noise.
This is Keerthana. I will explain the download button now. So once we click the download button, the audio file will get saved in this particular location. And to see whether they are getting downloaded properly, we'll just go through them through the SQLite viewer. Now we'll check through SQLite viewer. There we'll check the my data folder, and we have the testing folder. We have the test recording folder. So these are the files which we have already downloaded, and recording 3 is the recently downloaded button. Recently downloaded audio. Now we'll go back to the app, and then I'll be explaining the UI adaptations. So for demo purposes, I have previously recorded I have previously recorded 3 audio files at 3 different timings. So first we'll see lecture 1, Yeah, the lecture 1 has been recorded during the night time, so the background is black in color, and we can play it as you can see. Now we'll see the lecture 2. This lecture has been recorded during the morning time, so we have the UI background as blue in color, and we have the lecture 3 which has been recorded during the evening time. So the background color is orange. All these recordings have been done at different timings of the day to show the basic UI adaptation which we have implemented in this project. Next, I'll be explaining about the sorting function. So we'll go inside a particular recording, and then we can sort a particular recording by name. So if we are doing it by name, then it gets all the recording names will get sorted according to the alphabetical order. Whereas if you're sorting it by time, the recordings will get sorted according to the timings in which they were recorded.
Hello, I am Bavithra. I am going to explain the note-taking activity of our mobile application. So when you click down this navigation toolbox, you get four options. One is the calendar view, one is the event scheduler, and one is the pictures and the notes. So when you click on the notes icon, I have already created a note, and you can view that over here. This is the title, this is the date on which it was created, and this is the time. If you want to create new notes, you have to press the plus icon over here, and you have to enter the title, and you have to start jotting down the notes. After this, you can create the notes. You can see that it's created inside a database. So if you want to view the notes, you have to click the view notes button, and the notes are displayed over here, and when you click the title, it goes inside the notes. And if you don't want these notes, you can click the delete button over here, and the corresponding notes are deleted. Thank you. The next activity that we are going to see is the picture, the camera integration, and how we are adding pictures into this application. So when you click the navigation toolbar again, you get a pictures icon over here, and when you click this, you can add a title and take a picture and save it. So let's see, I'm adding a title called NC_1, and I'm going to click the take picture button. I can either take a picture right now or choose a picture from the library. So I click the take photo right now option. As I have integrated the camera with the application, the camera shows me whatever is present through the app. So I click a picture, I click OK, and I save the picture. So over here you can see that the picture called NC1 has been created with the date on which it has been created and the time at which it has been created. And if at all you want to click a new picture, then you can go inside the database again and again take a picture and save it. And you can also choose pictures from the library or from the gallery. These are the pictures that were already present in the gallery, and those are getting displayed. So the next feature that we are going to talk about is the calendar view. So when you click the navigation button over here and click the calendar icon over here, you will be displayed with a calendar view. You can view the preceding months of the year as well as the months that are going to come. So let's see how an event is going to be created. So if I'm going to click a date, then I can enter the event name, the event description, and the event time, and the days on which the event are going to take place if the event is recurring. So right now I'm going to enter the event as MC, and I'm going to enter the descriptions of the class. the event time as 4 p.m. and as it is a recurring event, I'm going to check on the boxes Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm going to click OK. So the event has been created. Next, we are going to see the database for the events that has been created. Right now, we have created an event called MC, for which we have noted down the office hours of mobile computing. So, clicking on the events icon, I'll be able to see the events that are created inside the calendar view. So, MC has been created on 21st 4th 2017, and when I click on that, I'll be able to view the name of the event, the description of the events, and the date which is going to be taking place, and the days on which the events are scheduled. So looking at this, the student can easily identify his office hours. Thus, a calendar view has been created, and using the calendar view, an event can be scheduled on a particular date and can be viewed by the user in a database created using the event scheduler. The note-taking task has also been completed, and the camera integration has also been done, and respective databases have been created for both the lectures, that's the notes, and the pictures. Among all the remaining tasks, the only task that has been left is the auto messaging when user is in lecture, which will be completed before the final submission.